Good morning, students. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your workbook, English workbook lesson 3. Today I am going to demonstrate this poem, Laser. This is in your English literature workbook, the poem which I am going to demonstrate. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. This poem is written by William H. Davis. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare means what is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare means what is this petty life? It is full of care and worries. Always we are in a hurry. We have no time to stand and stare means there is no time in our life to for spend it sometimes like a to feel sleep and doing the free work free of mind. So always we are in a hurry and life is full of worries. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows means as sheep or cows standing anywhere and doing their work, looking at the nature. And sometimes sheep or cows are also we saw under the boughs means trees, na? But we have no time to see, to admire the nature. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrel hide their nuts in grass. No time to see when woods we pass means when you go from home to school or somewhere you can see some trees are there. Some where there are some jungles are also there. Woods are related to trees means we are crossing the trees but we do not see at the sight of trees. Where squirrel hide their nuts in grass means we have no time to see and admire the nature. Sometimes squirrels playing up and down the trees, they are hiding their nuts in the grass, but we have no time to see at the nature in a glance. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to see in broad daylight means when the early morning began, we have so much work, so much worries, so much full of work to do that we have no time to see at the broad daylight to the sky or outside the nature. Streams full of stars like skies at night. At the night when stars are appearing in the sky, sky is always full of stars, but we have no time to come out and see the sky full of stars. Then next stanza. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to turn at beauty's glance means the surrounding is full of beauty but we have no time to see it at a glance. At a glance means in a moment. So we have always we are busy in our work, in our daily routine, hectic schedule. So there is no time for us. Here poet written it very clearly that we are so busy that we have no time to watch the beauty, how the nature also dance and how the nature also play their movements. Like trees are moving with air and animals are moving here and there. Flowers are opening in the garden, in the plants, but we have no time to watch it. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. No time to wait till her mouth can means if any thing is happening in the nature, we have no time to see it. Enrich that smile her eyes began. Means if anybody is outside our house or some any nature is smiling sometimes, we have no time to see it. So a poor William H. Davis, the poet, says that a poor life is this, if it is full of care and worries all time. So we have no time to stand and stare, means we have no leisure time. Leisure times means free time to do our favorite works like drawing, like paintings, like music. So we are always busy in a hectic schedule and always doing checking the work that we have done, it is conformly done or not. All the parents are taking care of their childrens also, so they are always in worries that their children are growing properly or not, anything is not properly going. We all have always the worries and thoughts. So it is saying the poet that life is always full of care and worries, and we have no time to stand and stare there. Okay, so after this, when you complete the see the demonstration, you have to complete the word meanings of this chapter in your fair copy, and I also give you the hard words in the class, so you have to write it into the fair copy of this chapter. This is your poem Laser. So complete it in your fair copy and learn the poem up to 8 lines. And there is also one homework to write it neatly 8 lines of the poem in your copy also, as you do in the previous classes. Okay beta, thank you.